Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to discuss about what are the expected answers the student has to write for the VTU final examinations and what answers the university will be expected from the student during the evaluation of the final exam answer scripts. So here I have considered December 2019, January 2020 previous year question paper and suggested what is the expected answer the student has to write and how the marks will be distributed. So here the university question paper contains 5 models and each model will contain 2 questions. The student has to answer any 5 full question by choosing one full question from each module. So now let us see the expected answers for the questions and how the marks will be distributed. So in a module 1, the first question A, how do you explain the components of the computer with a block diagram? So here for drawing a neat block diagram, 4 marks will be distributed. The student has to draw a block diagram of a basic computer structure and has to mention clearly the names of the components and the explanation of each of these components. Here the student will be allotted 4 marks. So 4 components he has to explain clearly and each component will be allotted 1 marks. So this is the expected answer from the student. So now let us look at a second question in a module 1. So here describe the types of the computers. The following are the types of the computers classified depends upon its capability. So these are analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. So each type of the computer explanation will carry 2 marks. Therefore, the 6 marks is allotted for this question. And third question is convert the following mathematical expression into C equivalent statement. So here the student has to convert the mathematical expressions into C equivalent statements. So here in place of x raised to 4 we have taken a pw function, and for square root we have taken sqrt function, and in place of multiplication star will be inserted. So these are the expected answers from the student. And the second question is how to write a basic structure of a C program. Explain with an example. So the expected answer is first the student has to mention what is a basic structure of the C program. So for basic structure of the C program, 2 marks will be allotted and brief explanation of each section will carry 4 marks and example will carry 2 marks. So total 8 marks is allotted for this question, and this is the expected answer the student supposed to write. So the second question is define token, explain 4 token available in a C program. So allotted marks is 8. So for definition of the token, 1 mark is allotted, and the student has to mention the different C tokens. So any 4 he has to explain. For explanation of any 4, 1.5 marks for each token type So therefore the 6 marks will be allotted. So here for the definition 2 marks. And the third question is, how would you explain logical operators in C program? The total marks allotted is 4. For definition 1 marks, and there are 3 types of the logical operators. So they are logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So explanation of these 3 different operators with example will carry 1 marks. So total 3 marks are allotted for explanation and 1 mark is allotted for definition. So in this video uh, I have discussed about module 1 question. So in a module 1 2 questions are there. So the student has to answer any one full question. So thank you for watching this video. In next video I will be discussing about what are the questions of module 2 and what is expected answer. Thank you.